I don't want you to know everything from my mouth. It is always challenging जब आप अपनी age से 10 साल छोटी लड़की का role play करो. So, because I feel happy being in my own zone. I mean, I am not running in any competition, honestly.
Sara, firstly, I would like to congratulate you. आपका जो upcoming content है on from Shimaro Guild 3 के लिए बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आपको.
Thank you.
सबसे पहले आपसे जानना चाहेंगे what are your feelings regarding the content, the movie which is coming from Shimaro Guild 3. What is Guild 3? What is your character in that? हमारी audience को briefly थोड़ा बताना.
So Guild 3 itself, the name itself tells it all. कि Guild के बारे में ये है. It is about a father-daughter and a stepmother's relationship, and how beautifully it was going on until there is this huge track comes in where everything just, vanishes. So, of course, I don't want you to know everything from my mouth. I want you guys to watch it and then let me know how do you like it.
What did you like about the show? आपको क्या पसंद है कि आपने you wish to do that?
So, it is always challenging जब आप अपनी age से 10 साल छोटी लड़की का role play करो. So, that was very exciting for me. So, I was really, really keen on doing something like that. And luckily now you guys will judge it and let me know whether I could do the justice or not.
And उससे पहले भी आपके जितने भी काम रहे हैं बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रखा है आपने. Either we talk about TV or it's movies or series, wherever we can say your work has always been a remarkable. तो अभी जिस हिसाब से आपकी जर्नी चल रही है, how you are channelizing your profile in coming times? किस तरीके से अभी आप इसको देख रहे हैं?
See, I am just doing what I like. I'm just doing what I love. And there is no specific thing in my mind that I want to channelize my profile that way or this way. Whatever comes in naturally, I'm just doing it and I'm enjoying every bit of it. So, yeah, that's how I feel.
After achieving such a height in your career, जिस तरीके से you have been nowadays in the industry like a low-key person you have become nowadays. It's very bare minimum where people see you in parties or any events.
Yeah.
So what's the reason behind it? Because पहले काफ़ी अच्छा खासा visibility रहती थी, हर जगह दिखना. अभी वो काफ़ी कम हो चुकी है. तो what is the reason behind it?
Because I feel happy being in my own zone. मुझे अच्छा लगता है अपनी फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना. मुझे अच्छा लगता है अपने काम पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देना. क्रिएटिवली व्हेन आई एम इंडल्जिंग माई सेल्फ और एंगेजिंग माई सेल्फ, मुझे वो ज़्यादा खुशी देती है देन टू गो टू पार्टीज, डेकोरेट माई सेल्फ एंड शो अप फॉर पीपल. डजंट रियली give me any happiness. So I am just doing what gives me happiness and I'm living for myself, not for the world. So why should I be present everywhere? Yes, I definitely go out. I meet my very selective friends, which makes me happy. पर हर जगह मुझे ऐसा लगता है that जहाँ मुझे खुशी मिलेगी मैं वहीं जाऊँगी ना. क्यों हर जगह जाके अपना I mean, why?
Also, sir, I would like to know what else apart from Guild is there in the line.
So I have developed a concept and from my production house, I am doing a film which will be out soon and I will talk about it very, very soon, but not now.
Also, the summers are on and you have a very influential personality on the social media. So, what are your plans to beat the heat in this summer season?
I mean, I am not running in any competition, honestly. I'm just doing what gives me happiness. So social media को मैंने कभी भी उस हिसाब से use ही नहीं किया.
Okay. Lastly, if you want to say anything to your fans and audience, like what it would be like.
Thank you so much for being there and thank you so much for always supporting. Keep supporting, keep loving. I love you guys.